Still think it's too late to plant flowers in July? Think again! July might feel like the halftime of gardening season, but it's actually a perfect moment to revive your garden with quick-blooming, heat-loving annuals. Whether your flower beds are looking a bit tired, or you're just now finding time to plant, don't worry. You've still got plenty of growing days ahead. In this video, we'll explore 7 superstar flowers you can plant right now that grow fast, bloom hard, and keep your garden looking vibrant all the way into fall. Let's jump in and give your garden that second wave of color it deserves. Zinnias are the overachievers of the summer garden. These bright, cheerful flowers go from seed to bloom in as little as 6 weeks, and once they start, they just don't stop. That makes them perfect for July planting. They love heat and sun and thrive even when other plants begin to fade. Zinnias also come in a rainbow of colors and various heights, making them perfect for both borders and containers. Bonus: the more you cut them, the more they bloom. So don't be shy. Snip away for stunning bouquets, and keep those blooms coming right up to the first frost. Marigolds are summer warriors. These classic annuals germinate quickly and start blooming in no time. And the best part? They handle July's scorching heat like pros. Marigolds aren't just pretty faces, they're also pest deterrents. Their scent repels aphids, whiteflies, and even nematodes in the soil. So you're getting beauty and a built-in bodyguard for your garden. They work beautifully in containers, veggie beds, and flower borders. Choose African marigolds for tall drama, or French marigolds for neat, bushy mounds. Cosmos are like the free-spirited artists of the garden. Tall, delicate, and dancing in the breeze, they offer an effortless beauty that's hard to beat. They grow super fast and actually prefer a little neglect. Poor soil? No problem. Missed a watering? They'll bounce back. In July, you can direct sow cosmos seeds and still get flowers before fall. Cosmos also attract pollinators and make wonderful cut flowers. A patch of pink, white, or deep magenta cosmos can revive even the most tired summer beds. Looking for fast color and something edible? Nasturtiums are your answer. These cheerful blooms pop up in just 30 to 40 days and thrive in hot, dry weather. Their peppery-tasting flowers and leaves are edible, perfect for garnishing salads or adding flair to summer dishes. They also help repel squash bugs and aphids, making them functional companions in veggie gardens. Trailing types spill beautifully from containers or raised beds, while bushy varieties make great border fillers. Plant them once, and they'll take off running. Often called pot marigold, Calendula is a surprise July contender. While it loves cooler temperatures, when planted in late July, it thrives into the cooler fall months. Calendula's orange and yellow daisy-like blooms bring brightness just when many flowers start to fade. They're also medicinal, often used in salves and skincare products. Deadhead regularly, and Calendula will reward you with repeat blooms into October in most zones. Give it partial shade if your summer heat is intense. Want something tall, dramatic, and a little wild? Meet Cleome, the spider flower. These airy, elegant plants shoot up fast, making them perfect for midsummer planting. Cleome handles heat with ease and adds vertical interest to beds. Its unusual flowers attract bees and butterflies, giving your garden movement and life. Just be sure to give it space. It can grow 3 to 5 feet tall. Cleome reseeds easily too, so don't be surprised if you see it again next year. Sunflowers in July? Yes, especially the dwarf varieties. These compact charmers grow quickly and bloom in as little as 60 days. They're perfect for pots, borders, or even balcony gardens. Just give them full sun and a little water, and they'll brighten up any space with their golden cheer. Choose branching varieties if you want multiple blooms per plant. And like all sunflowers, they attract pollinators and make everyone smile. So there you go, 7 fabulous annuals you can plant right now in July. They grow fast, love the heat, and bring your garden back to life just in time for fall. Let me know in the comments which ones you'll try, or if you have a favorite flower that blooms late in the season. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy garden tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy planting!